In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find north on Google Maps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm which direction you're facing so you can navigate confidently, whether you're planning a trip or trying to get your bearings on a new street. First, open your web browser and head to google.com/maps. Give the page a second to load. You'll see the familiar map interface with a search bar at the top and the map centered on your general area. This is your starting point. Next, type the place you're interested in into the search bar. It could be an address, a landmark, or even a city name. As suggestions appear, click the one that matches your destination. Google Maps will zoom in and center the location, showing it with a pin. This helps ensure you're looking at the exact spot you want. Now let's view the street itself. Enter Street View so you can orient yourself at ground level. You can do this by clicking the small photo preview that says Street View, if it appears, or by dragging the little yellow Pegman icon onto a highlighted road. When you drop Pegman, the screen switches to a panoramic street-level image. You'll see the road around you and can click or drag to look in different directions. At the bottom right of Street View, look for the compass icon. It's a small, circular dial with a red tip, and that red tip always points north. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're actually in Street View rather than the regular map view. Once you're in the street level view, the compass should be visible. To align your view to face north, rotate the scene until the compass shows north at the top. You can do this by clicking and dragging left or right on the image to rotate, or by using the on-screen rotation control if it appears. Watch the compass as you rotate. When the red tip points straight up, your view is facing north. On many devices, you can also click the compass itself to snap the view so that north is up, which is a quick way to correct your orientation. That's it. Once you've aligned the view, you'll know that what's ahead of you on the screen is north, what's to your right is east, to your left is west, and behind you is south. If you move along the street, keep an eye on the compass so you always know which direction you're facing. This simple habit makes navigating unfamiliar areas much easier and helps you match what you see on the map with the real world.